Hello once again. So today I'll be deploying a Metabase application. The UI is going to look something like this, and which is a very complex platform, right, to deploy. So this will be very easy to deploy on Toystack. It will hardly take maybe 1 or 2 minutes to deploy. So let's begin. Go to Toystack dashboard, get started. Can log in with GitHub. So once you log in, uh, can click on import and activate repository. So what am I going to do here is I'm going to deploy using a Docker Hub feature, right? So you can click on create from Docker Hub or visit Docker Hub. So when I visit Docker Hub, you can give a Metabase image name, Metabase, click enter. Can find many images, click first one. So you can see the image tags over here. So you can use any version or the latest version, right? So you can simply copy this, go to the dashboard, and when I click on create from Docker Hub, give the Docker image tag name and give the latest and enter the preferred repository name. So Metabase application demo and click on create. So now you are going to configure the project settings, provide the port number. So you can go back and the port number which is used in Metabase is 3000. You can refer the docs and click on save changes. They have some environmental variables added, so you can add the same. So in case you want to refer the template for ENVs, you can click on running Metabase in production and you can see the pattern over here. So these ENVs basically we are going to pass. Post that you need to connect your database to Postgres, for which you are going to create a Postgres database. So you can do the setup on Toystack itself, right? So let me show you that as well. One sec. So you can choose the plan over here. I'm choosing hobby plan and you can proceed with the payment and activation. So you can choose from $5 from your Toystack wallet and click on this. So your plan is activated. Click on this and now you can pass the ENVs which is pending. And yeah, I also wanted to show you now how can you configure database. So I have already created one before where I have all the instance host name, database name ready. So either I can use the same or I can create a new database. So the configuration steps are very simple. Just need to select the database type, enter the database name, Postgres version, and give the description and create a database. So this will help. So this will create a new database for you, and you can start using one. So let's continue from here. So when I go on my env, you can import files. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just drag and drop my env. I have my env over here. Right, I'm just dragging and dropping it here. Click on submit. So this will pick up the envs in within few secs, right? And go to general. You can give the bill last time if you want, and then click on deployments. Click on new deployment, choose the validity, and click on deploy. So deployments is initiated. You can view the bill logs and application logs. You can also see application logs being generated, right? And your deployment is completed, and you can see the URL over here. Click on the URL. So this is what expected outcome. As you can see over here, Metabase homepage versus like what we deployed. So when you put your email address and password, you will be able to sign into Metabase and start using it. So go ahead and deploy on Toystack. Thank you so much.